This is OPPO A1 and today I will show how you can create a calendar event on this device. So first and foremost, you will need to find and launch the calendar app, which is by default going to be Google Calendar, but even if you use some app other than Google Calendar, that's fine. The procedure is usually pretty simple and similar in a way. So start by selecting the date you would like to host or plan your event on. Then hit the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, choose an event option from the menu. Then fill out all the event details such as its name, time frames, repetitiveness, participants, video conference link, location, notifications, color, description or attachments files. Then hit the save button once you're ready to save it, and here it is. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.